Hey there, is your calendar event stubbornly reappearing even after you've deleted it? This issue can happen when syncing with Google, Outlook, or other accounts on your iPhone. If you're dealing with this annoying problem, don't worry, I've got a couple of easy solutions to help you get rid of those pesky events once and for all. Let's dive in and get your calendar back on track. Solution 1. Disable auto-reappearing events from Google or Outlook Calendar. First, open your Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar app. After that, locate the event that's causing trouble. Once you find the event, select it from your calendar app. Tap the three-dot menu, tap Delete. If you prefer not to see any appointments from your Google or Outlook calendar, you can turn off the sync feature. Here's how. Open the Settings app, scroll down until you see Apps and tap on it. Scroll down further to find Calendar and tap on it. Tap on Calendar account. Find your Google account and open it up. Here, you'll see an option for Calendar. Turn this off by toggling the switch. Tap Delete Calendar. After that, your calendar will no longer show any appointments from your Google account. You can follow the same steps for your Outlook account if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to tackle those reappearing events and manage your calendar sync settings effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.